Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. I'm currently in India and the time is 10:57 p.m. I'm recording this video to show you that I have passed a new funded account, which is not new. It's I have taken that from 31st January this year, and I just passed it today. So I'm recording this video to show you what was my trade and what are my statistics of the account. And let's go first with the trade which I took today. So here you can see it's a bit messy. First, let's see. So I just took the trade in Euro USD and we had an weekly SSMT plus and monthly SSMT. If you check in hourly, so let's check H4. So in H4 this was the CRT candle. I also trade CRTs, and this was here currently the weekly fair value gap. So these were my confidences that this was my narrative that first the price will break these liquidities, which it did, as it is Monday today. So price just swept the liquidities and it went up, then it went down. So it made a CRT of this candle as well as this candle, and I just traded that. In this candle I had an entry, and till here I took my take profits and I passed my funded account. So let me share the lower time frame confluences. From higher time frame confluences we had this weekly cycle SSMT plus this monthly cycle SSMT. You can check this over in GBPSG how it played out. So you can check over here, check this candle, and after this candle formed H4, and this candle closed below. That means it had already created the SSMT, but this candle purged the low, but in H1 as well it didn't close below, so it was an hidden SSMT and it played out very well. Plus it had an CRT setup. So in CRT what we do is we have two entries. First one is the change in state of delivery of that very candle which had purged the lows or purged the highs, and that is treated as an order block. So the order block entry I have taken today, and even the second entry, which is case of that entry, even that I took today because I had to complete my targets of profits, which is around 50 $55. We will see it ahead, and you can check in M15 as according to time frame alignment we go. The low got purged over here. uh, you can check it. This very candle purged the lows of this candle. It made a CRT. As the next very candle, it just engulfed it and closed above the highs of this candle, and just after it closed I just took entry over here. My take profits were around here, but I just took my exit over here, and it was an amazing position, bro. It was an amazing position. If you check the risk to reward, long positions just in the next candle, stop loss over here and take profits over here. It was 1 is to 3.87, nearly 1 is to 4. So let me share you with the screen recording. So here we go. Price was nearly around my take profits, and then I just you know you can check my take profits being around $49 over here, and I just booked over here, and a problem occurred. That was that I was closing at 400, but it closed around 399. So it was a problem. So I just took some entries over here, and it just wasted my time for 1 hour. I was sitting over there worrying about the trades, and see how it was just trading down. It created a mess over here. I thought that I will get a $1 TP easily, as my balance was just 398. when I was booking my take profits at around 400 in my previous position. So the price just fluctuated and it went down, and I closed at 398. So just to cover the $2, I was doing this, and you can see what happened. It just created a mess. It went down $8, nearly $8. It went down, and then it went up. We just booked the profits, and this is our eco funded account. The same can be seen over here. So this was my overview. I just started this account in 31st January 2025. That means this year, 31st Jan is the date when I started this account. You can check around 6 months took it to pass this account. We had 511 trades, these many lots. Average RR was 2.15. Actually, what happened was I was learning first ICT. Then in the meantime, I just got I knew about day, and one of my friend taught me a lot about the quarterly theories aligned with the CRT. So I learned a lot from YouTube channels also. It's a good content present over there. If you want to learn, you can learn easily. So these are my stats, and let's check the trading overviews. 48% win rate. So if I show you calendar, you will see a gradual increase in my win rates, and you know improved performances. In Jan, what happened was, from 27th Jan we had these many trades. You can see this performance. Best day was $10, worst day was $16, win rate 60% only. So in Feb it was the worst, 41% win rate. And you can see these stats also. Next month was 52% win rate. It was a little better. You can check these trades also. I'm totally transparent about this account. So in April we had around 95% of win rate. From April, I was started inculcating quarterly theory into my frameworks, and I did a lot of backtesting and practices to form my own models over the time area, time mixed with price, very complex things. So the win rate was 93%, and it was amazing, mind blowing. You can see the trades, only 74 trades were also less, plus the win rate increased. And our best day is 115, and worst day, you can check the worst day. How's that possible, bro? I'm just perfect, bro. And I'm saying that I'm perfect because you will check my further results of next month. So you can check this May 2025. It was 84% win rate, $100 in total pre-handle. Best day was $40, and worst day was $63. Though this was not according to my setup, I did a little gambling over here. I just got influenced by the person Togi about gambling, and then it ended up like this. But our account recovered the next very day. We did $40 up, and then gradually we lowered our stop loss, and then we gradually increased. So June was around the best. We had an 100% win rate. We had a P&L of $74. Best day was $21, and worst day was also in profits. So it was a break even day. See, two trades only. So June had very less trades because in June I had my university exams, and I had to go to far place for giving my exams, as the center is not near my home. And next, let me show you the next month. So it is currently July, and 14th July, this very day. So July started like this. I had just finished my exams. After my exams, I had time, and I nearly devoted around 10 days for again watching my classes, again watching my notes for trading, and collecting all my data and all my models which I had personally created based on time plus price. So that took nearly 10 days. I got recovered all my content in my mind. I traded this 2 days, and I just also want to tell you that I have multiple accounts. So some days I trade this account, Some days I trade other accounts, some I go conservative. So this is the account which I go conservative, and the other accounts which I have, I go aggressive in those accounts. So you can check my total trades were 66, P&L was 152, best day was $53. That was this very day. I was just sitting there manifesting that I will clear my account today, because my starting balance was around 355 and after that I took one stop loss which was of $5 stop loss, and after that I raised it around $6 in that very trade. Plus we have case of that entries in which we raised around $5 or $6, but the risk to reward inside the trade was very large. It was around 1:8. So due to that my account passed in just one single trade. It was the magic of CRT, brother. So this was all the data, and the worst trade also in profits. Win rates are 100%, because that's what A Star Forex do, bro. And I also want to share with you. I was posting the instant funding moonshot event content. So that account I was trading 100K account. You can check the dashboard. This is what my dashboard looked like. Buys won 100%, and this was my profit overall, around 7.3%. And in competitions, let's check. This is my position, which is 383, and I'll be getting some plus points, purchase points, for buying the account for 50% off. So I'll be using that, and I have some future plans going on with instant funding. I have some payouts and I'll invest in the instant funding accounts. You can also buy these accounts, because I'm going to tell you that these are the best accounts, best instant funding accounts in the industry, as they don't have any daily drawdown. Max drawdown is just 10%. It's mind blowing, bro. Even in two-step accounts we don't get 10%. This is around 8% in two-step accounts, and they are giving it at 10% in instant funding accounts. Plus we are just gonna make 5% of the profits, then we can get our first payout. So I'm looking forward for instant funding. That was it. So I also got my second account over here, which is phase 2. I just passed the phase 1, so in phase 2 we will be making $250. So yeah, this is my plan for the next weeks, to pass this account in nearly 1 or 2 days. No, 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 no. Till the end of the next month I'll pass this account, and I'll keep on posting. So if you wanna know the trade in detail and you wanna see the journal, so you can comment me, then I'll make a video on it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts you can ask me about CRT, quarterly theory, ICT, as I have 6 years of experience. So thank you for listening me, and goodbye.